Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techants. So today I will show you how to cancel Amazon Prime subscription by using your Android mobile. At same time this trick also works for iOS platforms because this Amazon app settings are common for all devices. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Amazon shopping application in your mobile and don't forget to sign in your account details. So now in this home page section, you can press this horizontal 3 lines icon and it is placed at almost top of left side corner, and then one sliding window is opening. So here you can go to Prime and the 8th option. So here it shows some benefits of your Amazon Prime subscription. At same time, if you want to stop your Prime subscription, by simply press this Prime arrow mark and it is placed under the horizontal 3 lines icon, and then select manage my membership and the first one. So here also it shows the some benefits of Amazon Prime, but you can scroll down so you can go to the last page. So now it shows some details about my next payment and credit card details. So if you want to cancel this subscription, by simply press this option end membership and benefits, and one more new window is opening. So here you can scroll down. So finally you can press this option continue to cancel. At same time, free trial users don't worry about it because these steps are common for free trial and paid memberships. So once you select this option, in future you won't able to access the Amazon Prime benefits in your Amazon account. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techants. And thanks for watching.